everyone, it's Alicia. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and also turn on the bell notification. So in this video I have shown how to make easy tandoor in oven, a wonderful snack for winter. So wash chicken pieces thoroughly. I have taken 450 gram of chicken. Now squeeze 1 lemon. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. This is for color. Now begin to mix everything well. Now keep it in refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Add garlic, some sliced ginger, bunch of mint leaves and bunch of coriander leaves into a wet grinder and blend to a smooth paste. Take out the chicken from the refrigerator and add 2 tablespoons curd into it. Now add our paste into it. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon coriander or dhania powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Add 1 tablespoon kasuri or dry fenugreek leaves, rubbing it between your palms. Again mix everything well. Marinate it for 8 to 10 hours or even overnight if you prefer. When the marination is done, I'm transferring it into a multi-cooked tawa, or you can cook it over grill also. Spread some melted butter or ghee. I'm using ghee for this. Now preheat the grill to medium. Cook it for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. Now let's check how it turns out. It is cooked from one side. Turn it to the other side and add some more ghee or butter if needed. Now cook it for another 5 to 8 minutes. Now our chicken tandoori is done. Enjoy with sliced onion, lemon juice along with mint chutney. If you like this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and hope you will give this a try and let me know how it turns out for you. Thanks for watching.